We're beginning at 5:22 p.m. and ending at 6:22 p.m. Level 3, go now. Evacuate immediately from Level 3, go now. Evacuations for the IMT from Kodiak Road south to Coyote Road east at Highway 140.
Yo, what?
Has issued immediate evacuation notice for the following counties or areas.
Directly to me, and so he's put together.
2 p.m. on July 22nd, 2023, effective until 5:22 p.m. Level 3, go now. Evacuate immediately from Level 3, go now. Evacuations for the IMT from Kodiak Road south to Coyote Road east of Highway 140.
Yo, I just caught a statewide EBI. This thing activated. This thing didn't activate for some reason. I just got it on one of my local stations. Let's see what this thing says. Well, did they really need to include the entire state of Oregon? I don't know.